Hi, what's going on, guys? We're going to do the unboxing of the Crimson guitar kit here for the Great Guitar Build-Off. There are a number of us competing in the Great Guitar Build-Off. Originally, when I was asked, I thought it was a full build, and I did not have the time to take on a full build. But being able to experiment with the kit is something that's much easier to do for me. I can work on it and not have too much time sucked out of the shop, which is me. And I've got a bunch of orders I'm working through. So let's open this thing up and do a review. Have not opened it, just got it today. So let's see what we got. I have known Ben for a while. I remember his, what was it? The Paul Reed Smith aging video he did. No one liked that. Alright, so we got a nut. We've got humbucker ring. Oh, the neck. Now the neck, if you guys are on Instagram, you'll see my logo got inlaid into it. It's actually pretty cool. So we're not going to go with a themed guitar because theme is me already. The neck is nice. Nice, thick, chunky maple. Look at that. That's what, a 132-bit, and they even got the A right. That's awesome. Fret job is nice. Yeah, I don't see any issues. This guy might know what he's doing, huh? Carve is fat. I like the neck. I like the neck a lot. I don't know what the fretboard is. Macassar ebony, maybe? I don't know. Alright, so that's the neck. Maple, some sort of ebony. Big D inlaid. Couldn't redo what I wanted to do, so let's get to the body. Ooh. A little bit heavy, but it's thick. Ash, I think. Colored ash. Standard tele config. Nicely sanded. Don't really have to do much work. This looks a little thicker. Let's see. No, it's 1 3/4 inches. Yeah, it's definitely ash. Doesn't need any additional sanding work, which is great. Huge plus. Neck is tight. Nice kit. What goodies do we have in here? Should have just done this live. Might have been easier. This looks like a Crimson tool. Oh yeah, half, 10, multi, 11. That's nice. Deep penetrating tongue oil. Ooh, a ruler. Just gonna buy one of these. Nice ruler. Where are the pickups? Did we not get pickups? Maybe we didn't. Nope. Alright, no pickups. No other hardware. I don't know what this is. Ah, a fret gauge, height gauge. That's nice. Ba-bum. That's it. It's a couple tools. We got the nut. I already have a bunch of pre-made nuts. So what are we gonna do? I'll show you. We're going to retop this guitar with some flamed birch. Mr. Kimball of Kimball Hardwoods had a beautiful set of wood that was just too good not to use. I thought maybe a couple guys would go with a quilted or a flame, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. So he's got these roasted birch pieces, and we're going to pop them on and do one of my stains. Those are beautiful. Man, this stuff smells. So we're gonna mod the guitar, we're gonna lighten it up, and then we're gonna retop it. So what I gotta do first is sand off the top and the back by 1/4 inch, so we can mark that. And then we'll redo the cavities with a top bearing bit, or a bottom bearing bit, and then we will put this sucker together. So these are 1/4 inch. So we're gonna sand off a 1/4 inch. Curious to see what everyone else is going to do. Actually, I may saw this off and then sand it. I just put a new blade on my bandsaw, so that will actually be quick work. And then we'll reroute. So let's get this video posted, show you the review of the kit, nice fretboard, nice wood. We'll get this video up, we'll get working on this guitar, and I will film the whole process as I always do. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll put the vote out hopefully sometime at the end of July, but time to make the donuts. See you guys. Thanks.